Look at the root. I have massive hair growth. Hey guys, welcome back to another session. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use Zahair Organic products. So as you can see, I'm not wearing a bonnet. It helps to protect your hair while it is in a protective style, or also while going to bed. So this is a bonnet that also helps to retain moisture in the hair, as opposed to wearing a cotton bonnet, right? So first of all, you want to ensure that you have a bonnet or some form of silk covering for the head. As it relates to the products, so I am wearing about 2 to 3 weeks protective style cornrow and plait. So on a day-to-day basis, or to refresh my hair, what I normally do is get myself a spray bottle, fill it up with some water, and before applying any of the Zahair Organic products, because that's what I use as well, I spritz my hair. So you spritz your hair just to hydrate the hair, right? So you want to add that hydration to the hair. So you go ahead and you spritz the hair. Ensure that it have enough water. So you just go ahead and spritz your hair, hydrate the hair. Guys, I'm sweating. It's summer. In here is very hot. If you hear any noise in my background, that's my fan. In here is very hot. It is now summer in Jamaica. So you go ahead and you spritz the hair, right? After you spritz the hair, I'm going to be using the Zahair Organics Growth Oil treatment. You screw the top, and then you're going to apply to your roots, right? So you hydrate the hair first, and then you apply. So if you have in twists, braids, plaits, whatever protective style it is, twist out, you just go ahead and first hydrate the hair, then you use the growth oil, apply section by section. And what I like to do is to go around the edge as well. And then for the back, we do the same thing. Apply section by section. Okay, sometimes I normally finish a bottle in like less than a month, because I use mine like every day before I go to bed, or if I forget to use it in the night, what I would do is I would use it throughout the day if I forget to use it in the night. After doing that, you're going to go ahead and massage the growth oil in, because you want to stimulate the growth. You want to stimulate the scalp so that the blood can circulate. So you just go ahead and stimulate the scalp. We also have a scalp massager, which you could also use to help to stimulate the scalp. It can also be used as a detangler. So when you're washing your hair, you can use it to detangle the hair, as well as otherwise massaging the hair like this, which sometimes get tiring, you can use the scalp massager to help to massage the scalp while washing the hair. So you just continue to massage the oil in so that it can allow the blood to circulate into your hair to stimulate the hair follicle. Guys, you see how my hair, the hairs them grow, the hair them grow. I am always in a protective style. If you know me, I am always wearing a protective style. So after doing that now, this is what I like to do. You don't have to do that because you already hydrated the hair before. Don't forget your hands, guys, because remember the hands are tied up into the braids. I'm also going to be using the ear butter. You see it today, guys? Yeah, me use it like every day. So this is the yellow one. This is the yellow one. You know that butters, once they are in a different environment, the consistency of it will change, right? So if you expose it towards the sunlight, it can start to melt, because that is the property of butters. So you want to keep your butter in a cool, dry place and keep it away from sunlight. So I'm just going to apply some, and then I'm just going like this over the hair. And then your hair is all moisturized, so don't forget the ends, guys. And you can do this every day, which is what I do. So once you're in that protective style, your twist outs, whatever it is, you just do that daily routine and you will start seeing results in like weeks. I can guarantee you guys. Wear your protective style. You can wash your hair like every week or every 2 weeks, depending on what you guys prefer. I prefer to wash my hair like 2 times per week, but to be honest, guys, we can stay in some protective style and I wash my hair for 1 month, because my hair don't smell. I don't travel with smelly hair, so sometimes when I keep in my braids for like a month or sometimes 2, when you look at the root, I have massive hair growth because I use the growth oil like every day, guys. So you just get your ear brush and you brushing the edges, guys. When I have the pretty ear, you know, as we da call it a hair. Don't know what type of hair me have. My hair is very thick and hard to manage. So you do that, and then you can just slip on your bonnet over it, and you go to bed. Slip on your bonnet, and you can just tuck it in, tuck it underneath, and that's it. That's how you use Zahair Organic products. Or you can get yourself a scarf. Get a scarf over the hair, because you want to ensure that you cover the hair when you're going to bed, because the castor oil, the active ingredient, castor oil, you don't want to mess up your pillowcases, so you ensure that you cover your hair and then you tie. And then this also helps to retain that moisture in your hair. This material, right, the silk, so these are good materials to use to protect your hair. And this is it.